So this is the Enclave suite. We enter through here. We've got a nice little cupboard here. It's got storage space with a safe inside it. More pillows, blankets, hanging space. Ironing board and iron in case you need one. Always fun. Got another closet here. We thought this was locked at first. It's not. It's just really stiff. Be careful with that one. All your stuff in there. Not too bad. Our little kitchen area. The fridge. Dishwasher. I would say it's not very equipped. It comes with very minimal items. I don't know if you actually see that because there's no light on the camera. But yeah, only very minimal things. We just had to put a light on this. But yeah, it's not done us too badly. I mean, you know, plenty of cups, 4 mugs, but plenty of glasses, and glass plates and bowls, which is quite weird. Microwave, and a little bit of space. Toaster, coffee machine. We use that because that's our kettle, so we've been using that for the hot water. Much easier. There's a Kelly. Oh, hi, Kelly. Hi. There's a lovely bed. It's our last day now, so here anyway. We're going into the next hotel soon. Nice little sofa. Probably pulls out as a bed. So yeah, little dressing, side tables, matching. Quite nice. And this is a view from the balcony.
Huge balcony though.
It's a large balcony. It goes around the corner here. So I'm going to get there because we're busy. We've got seating area and lounges, which are not actually used because we've been so busy going to the parks. We've got a nice TV area here. There's a little coffee table. And all our shopping. And bags. And bags. And bags. And our suitcases are now in the car. Oh, this is all our rubbish. Yeah, we've been busy. Our first week. It's been mental.
So no idea why our cases are so full. They were quite empty coming, but now they're full. And we've only been here less than a week.
Yeah, it's not good. So, we will see you at the next hotel. Over and out.